Hi, in this video, we will discuss about the strangle strategy. After having discussed about straddle strategy, understanding the strangle will be quite easy as it is just a variation of it. Strangle is an improvisation over the straddle, mainly to reduce the cost of implementation. Risk-averse traders who are not keen to pay large premiums or take high risks should opt for strangle instead of a straddle. In a straddle, the trader buys call and put options of the at-the-money or ATM strike. However, the strangle is devised by buying out-of-the-money call and put options. Remember, when compared to the ATM strike, the premiums of the OTM are always lower and they trade cheap. So which results in setting up a strangle is cheaper than setting up a straddle. If we are buying a strangle, few points which we need to keep in mind before we execute are: the volatility should be low at the time of strategy execution and should increase eventually during the holding period. The direction in which movement of the market or the underlying asset takes place does not matter, but the movement should be there and should be large. The expected large move is time-bound, should happen quickly, well within the expiry. Long strangle is to be set up around major events, and the outcome of these events have to be drastically different from the general market expectation so that the premiums eventually increase, moving out of the range and generating returns. Let us understand this with the help of an example. Nifty Spot is trading at 10,360. We buy one call and one put out of the money strike prices. Call at 10,450 strike price at 64 and put at 10,250 strike price at 59 premiums respectively. Total premium which we pay to implement this strategy is 64 plus 59, which is equal to 123. This means to be in profit from this strategy, the underlying asset has to move 123 points up or down from 10,360 for the trader to generate returns. When we buy calls and puts, it has a limited downside. Hence, the combined position also has a limited downside to the extent of the premium paid and an unlimited profit potential on movement of upside or downside direction of the asset. So in essence, a long strangle is like placing a bet on the price action each way. You make money if the market goes up or down, keeping in mind increase in volatility. Thank you for watching the video.
Investment in the securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing. Such representations are not indicative of future results.